Hey YouTube, so it's Deanna Maurice here, and I decided today that I'm going to do a car vlog with you guys. So, and excuse the shakiness of the camera, because like I just said, I'm in the car, and two, excuse the noise in the background. I have a set of 15-month-old twins, and so if I don't leave the TV on back there, they are not going to keep quiet throughout this video. So, sorry about the noise. So what are we going to talk about today? Because I live in the boonies and I have about 45 minutes to get to the city. I'm not going to vlog that long because no one wants to watch a vlog for 45 minutes. Or at least I don't. So I'm not going to make a 45-minute vlog. So I just want to let you guys know a little bit about me. Like I said before, my name is Deanna Maurice. I am a mother, like I just said. I'm a wife, I'm a Christian, I'm a crafter, and now I'm a YouTuber. So I hope that you guys like my channel. I hope that you guys can find some sort of interest from my channel. I'll let you guys know some of the things that I'm thinking about doing on my channel. So I'm thinking about obviously crafting videos. So I sew, I crochet, I bake. So all of those things. In the sewing department, I do from apparel, so home, interior decorating kind of things, and then I scrap. Also, I'm not an advanced scrapper yet, but I did go out and get a Cricut that I'm super duper excited about. So hopefully, once I get a little bit more familiarized with it, I can start to do some videos on that as well. And then also, I am a mother of a set of twins, Savannah and Clayton. They're 15 months old. They were actually born at 24 weeks. So if you guys, and they were in the hospital for 5 months. So if you guys want to see some videos on how to deal with being a mom of premature children, or some of the things that happen, or even just my journey of what I went through. You know, I stayed in the hospital carrying them for like a month just to try to hold on. So if you guys want to hear anything about that or see videos on that sort of thing, just let me know. Either like this video or leave a comment in the description box below. But today, because I'm new to YouTube, this is something that I've always wanted to talk about. So on my channel, I want my channel to be filled with positive energy and good vibes. Like, I don't want there to be negative, derogatory, or comments, or people just trying to bring people down for no reason. Like, I just really don't want that. That's not what I'm about. As you guys heard me say, I am a Christian, so I don't want that kind of vibes around me. What I want y'all to do is to vibe up a thing. I'm gonna ting nice, you understand? So that's what I want on my channel. And so talking about that, lately, after I watch a video, I look at the comments. Usually I don't really look at the comments, but it's a new thing that I've started to do. And I just noticed how much negative things people have to say. And I'm just like, why? Why do you take your time to sit down behind a computer and say something negative about someone where there's no purpose to it? Like, what is the purpose? So I'm going to use two videos that I've seen recently where people are just being nasty for no reason. So I watched two of these moms, and one mom, I guess she had been trying for a while. Her and her husband had been trying for a while to have kids, and she found out that she was pregnant. Like, y'all, this video almost made me cry, because I was just like, can you imagine trying for kids for 3 years, and then you get pregnant with one, you have one, and then shortly after that, you're able to have a second one? Like, come on now, that's super exciting. But someone left in the comment box below, like, oh, your kid is still in diapers, your kid is only 9 months, 9 or 10 months, why would you ever want to have another child that's too close to the other one? That's just stupid. And I'm just like, you person, you don't even know the struggles that this woman went through to get pregnant in the first place. Like, you don't know what it's like to be married and waiting to get pregnant, and you can't get pregnant. So many women out here, they've been married for years, and people think, oh, the reason why they don't have kids because they don't want kids. Well, that's the reason in some cases, but some women have such a difficult time even getting pregnant. And then to know that you get pregnant and that you could have a second child, that's such a beautiful thing. And God has blessed that lady's body to be able to reproduce. So why do you have a problem? Like, why do you even care that she wants to have a child 9 months after she just had one? What is that any of your business? So that's the first part. And then the second one is, I watched another mom. Yes, I watch a lot of moms on YouTube. And I just love her little family. They're so cute. They do like daily vlogs. And she's very open with, you know, her life. And so she has 2 children, and then she's been trying to have a third one. And unfortunately, she had like a case of some sort of early on miscarriage. And then luckily, shortly after that, she found out that she was pregnant again. And someone was like, ugh, why would you want to have a third child? You're so young. Why in the world would you want to go and have a third baby? You know, your kids aren't even grown. The same sort of situation. And it's just kind of like, why? Why? Like, if you don't have anything positive to say, just don't say anything at all. Or just exit their video. Like, that's not constructive criticism. That's just negative criticism. Like, obviously, her getting pregnant wasn't a mistake. Her and her husband had been trying to have a child. So obviously in their life, they feel that they're ready. They are financially stable. They own a home. Like, why not? So that's the second thing. So yeah, I've just been watching videos, and I just really don't like the negative vibe. I feel like YouTube should be used for encouraging people, to show people how to do things, informing people. I don't think it should be used for negative comments. Like, people don't need that in their life. People already deal with like enough drama, enough stress in their life, and you leaving a negative comment is not something that they want to hear. And you know, even though some people may say, you know what, it's somebody behind the screen, they don't care, I'm sure they do care. And oh yeah, there's a young girl that I watch, and she's decided to like move out of her house recently because she's been having some issues, and people are just so negative. Like, are you paying her rent? Are you paying her phone bill? Are you feeding her? Are you clothing her? No. So why do you, if she is making an honest living, doing YouTube, working, and whatever else she wants to do, you know, she has a roommate, why do you care? Why do you want to say something negative? Do you know if, meanwhile she was living at home, they were abusing her? Do you know the behind the story? Like, people only show you so much on YouTube, so you don't necessarily know exactly what's going on in the person's life. So who are you to judge? Who are you to say, you know, oh, you can't do this or you can't do that? I don't think that's right. But anyhow, so that's my take on YouTube and the negative vibes that people want to give out. So I'm just asking you guys, please, please, please don't write anything negative on my, you know, channel, because I will block you. Because like I said before, this is not an area for negative comments. It's really, I want my channel to be a channel about positive vibes. I want my channel to be about a space where crafters can share, you know, tips and tricks on how to make things. I want it to be a channel where mothers can, you know, communicate and share things that they may be going through. I want it to be a channel where, especially people, maybe even like people that are in a similar situation like me with premature children, it's a very stressful situation, and if you don't have support, it makes it 1,000 times worse, I'm sure. Excuse me. Luckily for me, I had the support of my family, the support of my church. The hospital that I was at had a lot of support groups. They had a lot of follow-up groups. So I had a lot of support. So even for that kind of stuff. So I want you guys to I want this to be a free, open channel. So please, at the end of it all, I know I keep repeating myself, no negative comments. No, don't bring no bad vibes around here. Alright guys, so that's it for this car vlog. And you know what, I actually kind of like this because, like I said before, I live kind of far out. So, you know, when you're in the car anyways, it's a time for you to just kind of like clear your mind. So being able to talk to you guys and really just open up to you guys about how I'm feeling is nice. And it's just in a little bit more of a more relaxed environment. Just let me know how you guys like this video. And if you guys like it, I'll definitely do more videos like this. Alright, bye guys.